Subordinating conjunctions before and after show time sequence in sentences. They connect a dependent clause to an independent clause. This tells when one action happens compared to another action. For example, I ate before I left shows the eating happened first. Before shows an action happened earlier than another action. For example, I wash my hands before I eat means washing happens first. After shows an action happened later than another action. For example, we went home after the movie ended means going home happened second. Check your passport before you travel means checking happens first. Wash hands before you eat means washing comes first. I'll call you after I arrive means calling happens second. We went home after the movie means going home comes after watching. Practice using before and after in sentences. Fill in the blank. I always check my work blank I submit it. The answer is before. Study the material blank you take the test. The answer is before. I'll call you blank I get home. The answer is after. Here are the correct answers. I always check my work before I submit it. Study the material before you take the test. I'll call you after I get home. She smiled after she heard the good news. Before shows earlier action. After shows later action. Use before when one action happens earlier than another. Use a comma when the before clause starts the sentence. Use after when one action happens later than another. A comma is usually not needed when after clause follows the main clause. Practice choosing the right word. After you finish your homework, you can watch TV. We went to the park after it stopped raining. She always checks her emails before she leaves the office. I brush my teeth before I go to bed. Here are all the correct answers. After you finish your homework, you can watch TV. We went to the park after it stopped raining. She checks emails before she leaves. I brush teeth before bed. He called after he arrived home.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.